Have you ever wondered about the human aspects of project management? Let's delve into this topic and find out more. Project management is not just about tasks and schedules. It also involves managing people and their emotions. The human side of projects involves understanding and managing the people involved. This includes their skills, personalities, and behaviors. Human resources play a vital role in project management. They are responsible for recruiting, training, and managing the project team. Human factors in PMP refer to the psychological and emotional aspects of project management. These factors can impact project success. The four major roles of human resource management are staffing, development, compensation, and maintenance. These roles are critical for project success. So, next time you're managing a project, remember the importance of the human aspects. Engage with your team and understand their needs and motivations.